Introducing the OGarden Smart, the new way of gardening in-home. The best trending product of the year. The OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and veggies at the same time, all year round. No matter what the weather is outside, your plants are safe without pesticides and herbicides. The OGarden Smart is easy to use and needs minimal maintenance. We've tested more than 20 organic seeds that we now offer, and you get a year warranty on parts. It has fully automatic watering and lighting with specially designed LED lights for low energy consumption. It also has 10 days of water autonomy. The OGarden Smart causes 98% less pollution because it's at your fingertips in your house, so no transportation needed. OGarden is working hard to bring you the best and to maximize your in-home gardening experience. Get your exclusive offer. Sign up now. And join the OGarden community on Facebook. More information on ogarden.org. OGarden. Fresh produce, food education, save money, sustainability.